Today I'm going to ride my bike. Ride my bike. Let's see if I can do it. Let's see if I can do it. Yes, I did it. Finally. Oh, I hit my leg. Hurts bad. Okay, I got on it. Oh yeah. Right. Oh, so. Kind of fun up here. It's a big airplane right there. K is G, K is J, K is G, G, K is G. Whew. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh, going fast on this bike. I'm gonna take this bike rodeo. See my pig right there? I'm gonna give him to Adrian. I'm trimming his pig, purple one, because I like his pigs. I really actually do like them. Car right there. Oh, step on a rock. Oh my gosh! Oh, I almost. Oh. Oh, I barely did it. Oh, shit back. Fast. I can do burnout on this bike. You guys want to see a burnout on my bike? Do some smoke. Look at it right there. Ready? Oh, I can't. Woo, wait. I know I can do it. Come on, get on it. Come on. Oh, I know you guys didn't saw it, but I want to leave it. Ooh. Jacob lives up there. Allá. Arriba. Wait, allá. Wait. Allá arriba. Sorry, I put my finger over. Because I can't write it with 2 fingers. Oh my gosh! Those dogs are annoying. I hate those freaking dogs. GT Mustang. Look. You can see the GT. Turning back. Turning car. Turn. Wait. Look at this. Look at it. GT. Wait. I don't want to stop riding. GT. Oh! You can see the GT. There you go. I'm freaking fun. Yeah, rhyme. I always wanted to rhyme like this. But I wanted black. Oh, look at that. Look at that Jeep right there. She's turning. That's the A left. Hey, wait, come on. Hey, I'm poor, dude. I'm just poor. Adrian, see the video, please. You told me to make the video. You told me to make this video. So I'm making it for you. Woo! I got fast on that bike! I guess he didn't want to do it. I guess. So. Oh, I did it like a bike. Go fast on that bike. Nobody. I want to speed on this bike. The other car took a car. It's my house right here. Oh my freaking gosh. Look at this viejita. Viejita, old lady. Old ladies just don't appreciate it. Hey, I hate old ladies. They get mad every time they're like, hate them. What are you gonna do? We're past the key right now. Should I go to Jacob's house? I don't know. Should I go to Jacob's? Nah. I'm bored. I should go to Adrian's house. He's going to Houston. Never mind. I'll return back. Let's go. On my bike. Take this one to the bike rodeo. Oh, you see that symbols? See those symbols right there? Those are my symbols. There's zapatitos. Zapatitos. I'm wearing regular shoes. Smoke weed over there. Chanclitas. Wedding now. Adrian's going to Houston. I hope he does. Because if he dies, I'm gonna be crying. I hope you don't die, Adrian. I hope. Be safe. Peace. Yeah. I'm not gonna end the video. Wait. Wow, nigga. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Look at those cars right here just passing through here. Look at those freaking cars just passing through here like nothing. I don't get it, guys. Nopales. Oh shoot, I don't know. I don't know what type of, what's it called? I don't know what type of what's it called? Not snake. What's it called? I forgot. It's a spider. Spider, yeah. I don't know, but it looked like it was a big tarantula. It was giant. It's a big one. Look at those birds flying like nothing. Hey, yo, you forgot me. Hey, I'm gonna go show my slingshot. I'm gonna go show my slingshot. My slingshot. I'm gonna go. Oh, bike. This is my bike right here. In case you don't know. Right here. Kind of like, I don't know. I don't think it's cholo symbols. Like, I don't know. Sunny up there. Salana Ridge over there. Yeah, Salana Ridge. My slingshot right here. Well, you saw it, guys. My slingshot. The diesel mode. Turbo Max. I like those trucks. I want this truck. I actually do want it. See that? It's hard to pull it. Like for real. It's hard. Look. I'm gonna show you guys. Look, it's hard. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. It's hard. I don't know if Alejandro can do it, but I think he could do it. It's hard. Alejandro, I don't want these type. It's hard. Hard. Gang. So, it's right here. Papa. Come to Papa. I don't really. Why is the truck up? I'm not closing that truck. I ain't closing it. But I like this truck. My favorite truck. Sorry guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Wait. Should I end it or no? I'm gonna be flying. I don't know, but there's a what's it called? A lot of tija right here. Shoot, there's a lot of mosquitoes right here. Mosquitoes. I'm scared, dude. You know what? I'm not getting on this truck. I don't like it. I like it, but good. I'm gonna end the video. Bye bye. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, whatever video you want me to do.